Without further ado, let's jump straight into part 2 of this curry cold food video. Starting off by adding some vegetable oil to our Dutch pot. Once that's heated, we're going to go in with some ginger, garlic, pimento seed, along with some curry powder. Guys, turn the flame down low and take your time to saute everything. Guys, we're letting the curry toast because that releases all that beautiful aroma, and it also gives the curry a nice color, or the meat a nice color. Next, we're adding the seasoned cold food straight into that flavorful oil, letting it simmer for maybe like 2-3 minutes before we stir. We want to catch all that flavor and gives the meat a nice sear before we add in any type of liquid to the pot. After 5 minutes, we're going to rinse the basin that the meat was seasoned in with a small splash of water. Guys, remember, we're not making soup, so we're only adding a little bit of water. Pour that liquid into the pot and continue to cook it down slowly, allowing the cold food to soak up all the curry flavor before transferring it to our pressure cooker. Once all that flavor is locked in, we're going to transfer everything to the pressure pot. Add a little bit more water and pressure this for about 1 hour. After that 1 hour, we're going to pour everything back into the pot. We're going to add our thyme, some onion, some scotch bonnet pepper with the seed, along with some scallion. Mix in everything before we go in and add our Goya beans. Let's simmer until the sauce is at your desired liking. Then we're going to finish it off with some red bell pepper, some orange and yellow and green bell pepper for a pop of color and for presentational purposes. Guys, let this simmer for 2 minutes and enjoy. This is what your curry should look like. Hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.